As I said in the last class, NLP is a powerful technology that allows machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It is used in a wide range of applications, from sentiment analysis to conversational AI. In this video, we'll explore how Azure enables you to leverage NLP to transform your data into valuable insights. So, what can you do with NLP in Azure? Azure's NLP capabilities help businesses automate and enhance many tasks, like sentiment analysis, understand the tone of a customer feedback, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral, topic detection and language identification, identify the main topics within the document, and automatically detect the language of a text. Key phrase extraction, which where we can extract important phrases from large text bodies, helping to highlight the most relevant content. And finally, document categorization, where we can automatically classify documents such as marking them as sensitive, spam, or relevant based on their content. So, how Azure uses NLP to automate text processing? Azure leverages NLP to automate and simplify complex tasks like classifying documents. Azure can automatically categorize documents, such as labeling them as sensitive or spam. This can save hours of manual process. Content based search, where NLP can document or tags automatically with relevant keywords, improving searchability and efficiency. And finally, text summarization. NLP can identify the key entities like name, dates, and locations in documents, which making it easier to generate summaries for quick insights. Now let's talk about the recent advancement that have dramatically boosted NLP's capabilities. One of the most exciting developments in this integration of large language models, or LLM, like GPT and BERT. These models are designed to generate human like text, which makes them incredibly powerful for complex language tasks such as translation, summarization, and text generation. While these language models are a vital part of the NLP landscape, it's important to understand that NLP as a whole covers more than just text generation. These models serve as a powerful tools within the broader NLP framework, improving the efficiency and effectiveness of NLP tasks. Now that we understand the technology behind NLP, let's explore how it is used in the real world. Businesses and industries are applying NLP to solve problems and improving operations. Like document intelligence, NLP is transforming document processing in industries like finance, healthcare, and retail. Whether it's dealing with handwritten or machine created documents, NLP help extract critical information automatically. And then knowledge graph creation. By leveraging semantic search, NLP is helping industries like healthcare build knowledge graph that supports drug discovery and clinical trials. And finally, text translations for conversational AI. Azure NLP models enable the translation of text from conversational AI systems, allowing businesses to communicate seamlessly across different languages and cultures in industries like retail, travel, and finance. So, to handle large scale data and complex text processing, Azure integrates Apache Spark, a powerful parallel processing framework which with where Spark you can process vast amounts of text quickly and efficiently, making it an excellent choice for custom NLP workflow. For example, Spark NLP is an open source library built for high performance text analysis. It integrates seamlessly with Azure, like Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure HD Insight, and Azure Databricks, providing advanced functionality such as spell checking, sentiment analysis, and document classification. This allows businesses to perform a sophisticated NLP task at scale with the state of the art accuracy. While NLP in Azure offers impressive capabilities, there are some challenges to consider when implementing these solutions. First one is high computational resources. Processing large volumes of text requires significant power, often rely on GPU based deployments. Fortunately, optimizations like Llama 2 can help streamline these processes and make resources allocations more efficient. Second one is standardization issues. Without standardized document format, extracting specific facts from free form text can be tricky. Models like M2M100 help improve accuracy across multiple languages and formats, ensuring better results. And finally, complexity of data. Different document structures and linguistic nuances add layers of complexity to processing. However, innovations like MPNet embedding help address these challenges, offering improved contextual understanding and reliability in data processing. So, as we have seen, Azure offers a robust suite of NLP capabilities, from document classification to sentiment analysis, and even complex conversational AI tasks. With the integration of powerful frameworks like Apache Spark and advancement in large language models, LLMs, Azure enables businesses to process and analyze text data more efficiently and effectively.